Hello friends, if you want to learn English language, then I think that it is necessary to do your hard work with consistency. What is consistency? Doing some work at regular basis, not making the long intervals. If you make the long intervals and you do your work with less interest, then this will not be considered as consistency. Consistency means that on daily basis you are doing something. And when it comes to learn the English language, then I think it is necessary for you to do the consistent hard work, consistent exercises. When you will not do the consistent hard work, then I think that it will be a little difficult for you to improve your English language in some days. Otherwise, if you do the consistent work, then you will improve English very soon. You can, for example, you are two friends. One friend is doing the consistent work, is doing the hard work on daily basis, and one is who is doing hard work only once a week. Then the person who is doing the daily hard work will be more fluent, will be more confident, will be more good in English language than that who is doing the hard work only in a week. So I think if you do your exercise of English learning on regular basis, then this will be good for you, because you know, in every field, in each and every field, when you are consistent, then you are succeeded. And if you are not consistent, then you compromise your success. So I think that if you are learning English language on daily basis and still you are not improving your language, then some other things are also required to improve your English language. Those are that which kind of things you are learning on daily basis. Are you doing the all exercises, reading, writing, listening and speaking? These are the four things, very important things. And the main important thing is listening. After listening, speaking, then reading and writing. And if you improve your skill of listening, then you will improve your skill of speaking, because when you will listen a lot, then you will deliver a lot. When you will fill your vocabulary with a lot of words, then your output will be good. And if your vocabulary is empty, then you will be stuck during your conversation, because when you are doing the conversation, word would not come into your mind, and in this way you are not able to speak out the words, because you are thinking in your back mind that what is the English of this word, and when you will not find, then you will be stuck, and other will judge you that you have forgotten the speech or the dialogues. So to refrain such kind of problems, I think that you should fill your vocabulary on daily basis. Memorize some difficult words and their meanings. Do your exercise in spoken English sentences, beautiful sentences in spoken shape. When you will speak with your friends, those sentences, those will be the part of your memory. When you will read something on a book or from a book, then you will enhance your reading skills, and write some text messages, or through social media you can write chat with your friends in English language. In this way your writing skill will be improved, because when you write you have the time to think, but when you speak you don't have the time to think. For speaking, I think that your vocabulary should be filled with lot of sentences and words. Then you will spontaneously speak. Otherwise, you will be stuck, as I told you. So improve your reading skill on daily basis. Set a time. First, listen. some podcasts, some videos, some radio programs, through social media. Enhance your ability of listening. After listening, speak for an hour. Speak whatever you have listened, speak out. Try to speak. If you don't find any friend, then you can speak with yourself. Monologue. After this, read some books or some newspaper if you have. I think that read simple story books. They are easy to understand. Read some stories. Then try to write something in your own words on a paper. Write down on a paper your daily routine work. And then I think that memorize some difficult words and their meanings. On daily basis, if you have the ability to memorize 50 words, then you can memorize. If you have ability less than 50, then choose how many words you can memorize on daily basis. So these 4 or 5 exercises, if you will do, then you will improve your English language in some months. You will increase yourself, you will grow your talent in English learning. And after that, practice is necessary on daily basis. When you will leave the practice, then you will forget everything which you have learnt, because your environment is not that environment where the English is spoken. Your environment is that your national language is spoken around you, and you are not listening your English language all the time. So you will have to do your efforts yourself. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, please consider subscribing this channel. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.